What's up, my J-babes? Today is the room. We are made it. This is where you walk in. It might be. They do say they do a deep clean of the refrigerator. Well, that's what it said on the thing. Okay, we're gonna go this way. So that's here. Have the bathroom. Bathroom. I got games in here and an urn in this closet. This is my mom. Your phone ringing. This is my mom. Yeah, it is. This is my mom's room. Sink. We got a bathroom. This is their room. They got a big room. Little bench. Turtle. This is our room. We got a little bed. Is this a full? We might, I don't know. I think that's, well, it said clean on the thing. I got extra pillows and stuff. I got a living room. And here though. Our view. Got the lake view. We can sit there you go. I got it. Okay. Outfit of the day. We have Lorbe glasses, plain white t-shirt from Shein, the shorts from Shein, and the sandals from Shoe Carnival. Shein Shoe Carnival. And your outfit.
Shirt, Shein.
Yo.
T-shirt, Target. Short, Shein. Shoes, they do.
And so now I'm finna go get some food. I think we're getting seafood.
Seafood.
I think.
She got red on the GoPro.
Yeah, I think they're at the front.
And you gotta drive the car.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
You about to?
Yeah, you gotta take a picture of the food.
Where y'all hanging? What's up, my J-babes? It is hot out here. Can y'all see me? Keep walking up. What's up, my J-babes? Today I'm back with another video. The camera keeps fogging up every time I go outside. So here's the fit check. So today we have just a regular t-shirt dress from Shein, sandals from Shoe Carnival, shades, Lorbe, hat, Shein. That's it. My camera keeps fogging up every time I go outside. See if we can get some outside, and it is fun. Yep, it'll keep fogging. And yeah, that is it. I might keep fogging up, but we are gonna go get some breakfast. Okay, we're gonna keep short. We're just gonna go do it in here. So we're gonna go get some breakfast. Then we'll go to the beach. So yeah. So this is our breakfast outfit. And I'm probably gonna do a little tiki-talks until everybody else get ready. So BRB. want some of yours? The sky at the moment looks like, but I'm just recording the scenery, the beach, and all of that good stuff. Yeah, so we were seeing people on like jet skis, what is it, like parasailing, and that boat where they pull the people in the back. I forgot what it was called, but yeah, so I think we was talking about that, and we were trying to see if we wanted to do that, but the only thing is your girl is scared of heights and your girl can't swim, so that's that. We didn't end up doing neither one of those, but the scenery was nice and I can't wait to go back. And yeah, and enjoy the rest of the video. Hello, I'm back. So we are fixing to head to the beach on our swimsuits. This is a swimsuit. This is a swimsuit. Swimsuit. Just so cute. Today's our swimsuit. And we have our shades from L'Oreal. But yeah, I just put this on for right now, but I'm gonna take it off when we start walking because it is hot. So yeah, it is hot. It's a big outside, so come here. There we go. So yeah, we are headed to the beach. Where did they go? Where did they go? And they walk fast. Oh, there. But yeah, we're gonna head to the beach, which I think we're walking, or we might rent a golf cart or a bike if the people is up there. But when we rode by, no one was up there, so we couldn't do nothing. Then we rode up and down the strip looking for a golf cart rental, but they was rented out for today. So, and the beach is right over there. Can y'all see that? The beach is over there. Yeah. So yeah, that's the beach. And we do not have a chair, so you probably just take a towel and lay on a towel instead of spending money to rent a chair. So yeah, this is the bathing suit. Bathing suit from Shein. And I probably put my shirt back on because this is so uncomfortable for me. Yeah, we still have the mouth belly. But yeah, be right back. BRB when it's time to walk. We waiting on everybody else. I think I'm the only one dressed. So yeah. Hi, mommy. Say hello to my camera. Okay, y'all. So right here we got a stroll. What is the nice little stroll, and we tried to get like a golf cart so we could ride over there instead of walking, but the place, no one was there at the place that was on the property of where the Airbnb was, so we had to take a little stroll, which was long. It was hot, which made it seem like we was walking forever. So we were just making our way to the beach. As you can see here, this is the lake, which is like a nice scenery. And yeah. Oh, this is us at the beach. I really didn't get much footage at the beach because I didn't want to, honestly, I kind of just forgot. It was already hot and I was just like chilling. So yeah, that's the beach. This place was super good. The breakfast was A1. I had got chicken and waffles. The only thing is the chicken was super spicy. They need to put like a warning label on there next time, like spicy or something. Right here we went to get the golf cart. Cause yeah, it's like it's better to ride the golf cart when where you stay, where we stayed, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, it was super convenient, very easy to get around with the cart. Let's see what else. Yeah, we was getting a car. We was on our way back to the room so we could get my mama and them, because they was behind us. So yeah, that's where we headed right here. And it was raining. Well, it was raining, but then it stopped. So we caught the end of the rain. But yeah, after that little rain, it was hot for the rest of the day. But yeah, we're headed back to the room so my mom and them can get on. Yeah. So right here, we have picked out my mom and stepdad. And they're in the back of it, just chilling. This is very fun. Like, if I ever get like a house or a big house or something, whatever, I would invest in one of these because it was just so, like, I loved it. But yeah, that was that. It was fun. We was playing music, so that's why y'all gotta hear me talking. But yeah. So the music was playing. We were just vibing, riding, enjoying the strip. The scenery was super nice. And I wouldn't mind staying here. But only thing is the weather. The hurricanes and stuff, I won't be able to do that. But I love it. Yeah. Let's see. Right here, we was at the HarborWalk Village, which we arrived like around like 4 something, I think 4 some 5 o'clock. Which I wish we would have discovered this earlier. Which I had it on my my list of stuff that I wanted to do when I went here, and forgot all about it. But yeah, we had went around 4 or 5 something that evening, and I really wish we would have went earlier. But this was super nice. It was super fun. It had everything you could do: jet skis, boat riding, zip lining. They had drinks. They had restaurants on the thing, food trucks. It was a lot of stuff on there. Right here we was doing the hang challenge, and yeah, as you can see, well, as you finna see, yeah, girl was struggling, but at least I did it. My goal was at least to get my goal was at least like 20 seconds, but I think I ended up doing 11 seconds. But just watch. Yeah, my mom and them was laughing at me because they just knew I wasn't going to last for 90 seconds. But I tried. I had faith in myself, but I was kind of laughing at myself. I just wanted to do it because I was seeing a lot of people try to do this, and I just wanted to do it to just say, you know, I tried something. I knew I wasn't going to last 90 seconds, but your girl tried. And then I last 11 seconds, and I was just so tickled at myself because it was people watching me, and yeah, but it was fun. I knew wasn't gonna last, but it was just fun to do it. I think here we was trying to get everybody else to try. Next up, my boyfriend tried it. Yeah, he tried it, and he lasted 19 seconds. The bar thing moved, and he dropped. But yeah. So I had to cover, his shirt came up, so I had to cover him up, for privacy purposes. But yeah. So he lasted 19 seconds. Once he moved to try to adjust himself, the bar moved, and he lost his grip. But it was fun. I was trying to get my mom to do it, but she wasn't going. She didn't do it. But the man, he was super nice. Then let's see what else happened here. We just talked about how the thing was slippery and moving and all that good stuff. Yeah. My mom trying to talk my stepdad into doing it. We was trying to win that $100, y'all, but we was trying our hardest to win. Then right here, he talked him into doing it. I think he lasted 25 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the music was going, so I had to talk over it. But yeah, I think it was 25 seconds. He was the longest. I was 11 seconds. My boyfriend was 19 seconds. And my stepdad was 25 seconds. And I think the men had to do it for longer than 90 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. And here it is, we taking pictures with the parrots. They put that parrot, whatever the bird is, on my mom's head, and what the heck. And here I am, I was scared, and I would tell them, don't put that thing on my head. I didn't want to chip my braids off. But we was on the dolphin cruise, looking for dolphins. We didn't see many, but we seen some come up a little bit, but they didn't come up all the way, if that makes sense. And on this dolphin cruise, y'all would never believe that I got seasick. I never been on a boat before, so it was a first. So I got seasick, and yeah, I kind of threw up over the boat, though. I threw up over the boat. But yeah. So I was good until they stopped the boat and it was rocking, and yeah. So now I know I probably won't ever get on a cruise because now I know I will get seasick. But it was fun though, looking at the dolphins and being there for my first time. Right here, my mom wanted to go to Ruth Chris, so we took them there, and the food was wonderful. On our way back home, we stopped at Buc-ee's, and I always wanted to go to Buc-ee's just to get the experience because I always see people talking about it. But I can tell y'all this place was super packed, and my anxiety was through the roof. It was so many people. It was just oh my gosh. But I did try a sandwich from there. Something melt, I think, and it was good. My boyfriend had the brisket, and I tasted his, and it was wonderful. I should have got the brisket, but it was good. What else? I think that was all he had. And he had got beef jerky from there, and he said that was good. Even though it was overwhelming for me, overall I loved it. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out.